In this tutorial, we will look at how to upload sales returns from Excel to Sage 200 using Codis Accelerator. Once you have opened Excel and you are logged into Accelerator using your Sage credentials, you can begin. We will use the sales return single template. Normally, you will start by browsing and selecting the customer, followed by the document date, and then select the default warehouse. You can then enter the line details. You select the product, confirm the warehouse, enter the quantity and selling unit price. You can repeat this for each line on the return. You can then use the Calculate button. The Validate button will check if the sheet is consistent with Sage rules. When you are happy, click Save to Sage to upload all this data to Sage 200. We pop across to Sage 200 and we can see that the return has been saved. Your Accelerator comes with a standard Excel file which includes single and multiple templates. You can create your own template using the Designer button. To demonstrate this, we will download existing transactions and generate a new sales return. When you open up the Designer, a panel will open up with all the standard Sage fields available. You will enter the number of lines you will require. Next, you will tick the fields you want to add: document number, customer, account name, document date, item line number, stock code, warehouse, item description, quantity, selling unit price, and order line quantity. With sales returns, you can download existing sales returns or a previous sales order as a basis to create a new sales returns. On this occasion, we will select Download Sales Orders, where you can choose the sales orders to use. Once in the spreadsheet, you can now enter the quantity to return for each line. The original order quantity for each line is also visible. You then click Save to Sage. If you open up Sage 200 again, you can see that the new sales return is now reflected in Sage. Thank you for watching. Please remember to click the like button below and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below, or for more information, visit our website codis.co.uk.